Hello students, today we will discuss about acknowledging success and failures of the project management in 6th unit. First we discuss about the success of the project management. So what are the factors of the success of the project management? First one is user involvement. So before starting the project, so what are the we have to identify the what all the members are doing the project. So after identifying, so we allocate the duties for those members, then they will do the work perfectly. The involvement of those users. So there is a user involvement for the success. Next one is support from the management support. Yes, if you are doing something for the management, they will support the users uh, in terms of salary, in terms of all the facilities arranged in the company. So the management support will be there. So then clear statements of the requirements. First we have to plan for the project, and so what are all the requirements we need. We have to document those requirements. Then only we start the project. So we have to put the clear statement of the requirements. Then proper planning. Yes. So we have to plan. We have to divide into some modules, or we have to fully we have to develop the project or not. We have to first decide that planning we have to do. Then only we do the project. Otherwise, in between we are splitting into modules. Now it will burden. Correct. Now. So that's why we have to correct planning we have to do. Then only we do the project. Then clearly define the goals. So we have to achieve the outcomes only we are developing the project. Correct. So that's why, so we for the setting of the goal also we have to achieve. Then only it is possible to achieve the outcome. So the goals also should be achieved. Clearly define the goals. Then only we. So first we clearly define the goals. Then we have to achieve the goals. Next one, sufficient resource allocation. Yes. So after planning, then after the requirement, so we know so how much resources we want. So that then only we have to finish the project. Last one, technical aspects related to technical aspects. So what are all the versions we need, what are all the softwares we need, what are all the versions we need, all the technical aspects will be solved. Then only we achieve the success the project. Then failures for the project development. First one is lack of senior management support. Yes. So senior management or the team manager. So if any problems now, we will go to the team manager. Then we will ask for the solution. Correct. So then the team manager will go for the senior manager. Go to the senior management. Then we'll ask for the help. If they are supporting, then you will get the solution. Otherwise, we will not get. So lack of, if they are not having the much amount of the budget, they will not support, then it is a failure for the project development. Communication. So between the team members, or between the team member and the project manager, or between the project manager and the senior management. So there is a proper communication. Then only we do the project correctly. This is also one of the failure for the project manager. Poor communication. Then inadequate resources. If we need the requirements, it's satisfied now, we will develop the project. Otherwise, we cannot. So that is the inadequate resources now. They said 1 month. For 1 month, I will give the resources. After 1 month, if you want, I will give. Then it is no use of the project development. So that is the thing, inadequate resources. Then poor definition of scope. First, we have to define the scope and the goal. Then only we start the project. In between time, we cannot change the scope of the project. Then it is the failure for the project management. Then changing the requirements and specifications. Yes. In between, we have to change the requirements and the specification of the project. That is also a failure for the project. Next one is lack of user involvement. Yes, we have to, if the project allocated to the users they will develop those project only. They will if they allocated na, they will do the project. Otherwise without involvement it cannot success na. So it is also a failure. Also planning. So plan how much what are all the requirements we need, how much human resources we need. First we plan, then only we go for the project. Otherwise the failure only. Thank you. Be safe, stay home.